As the Medical Association has decided to launch a 24-hour-long strike across the country, Indian Medical Association has also now written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is the top medical body, remember. It is seeking Prime Minister Modi's intervention, demanding security protocols for all hospitals across India. IMA has sent out a statement, and I want to quote excerpts from it and what they have pointed out, that hospitals should be declared safe zones. That there should be that specific designations that must be given to it. Also, we are told that dignified condemnation and there has to be a communication that should come in this regard. So, we are told that IMA that has written out a statement with demands that dignified compensation for victims' family, meticulous investigation in the RG Kar case. So basically 5 main demands have been put forth. Meticulous professional investigation, appropriate dignified compensation to the bereaved family. Security protocols of all hospitals should be no less than an airport, which means it should be of that level of heightened security, which means when I say safe zones, for example, that means it requires mandatory security entitlement. CCTV, security personnel, all of these protocols to follow. 36 hours duty shift that the victim was in and the lack of safe space to rest. That the adequate restrooms must also be a part of the overall. But above all, the top demand by the Indian Medical Association has been a central act incorporating the amendment of 2020 in the Epidemic Disease Act of 1897 into the draft. The healthcare services personnel and clinical establishment would strengthen the existing state legislation. So remember, to give you a background, that Health Ministry already has taken cognizance of some of the details. It had said an FIR will have to be filed at an institutional level with the cops if there is violence reported against medical professionals, especially doctors. But this is what IMA is asking for even more. Doctors across the country are in solidarity with the protests on the ground. Anirban is joining me for the latest on that. Anirban, what is the situation on the ground in Kolkata? Clearly, it looks like that more and more protests are on. Are people still on protest around you?
Well, the more and more protest is growing up, and right now the students' wings are also protesting here. The different from different universities as well as from the colleges. Also, the transgender community has started protesting against this. As we are talking about the IMA demands to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as you have seen the last two 4 and 5 demand, the 4th and 5th point, where there is the main thing that is for the justice for this Abhaya, and also the main concern which you know that the RG Kar doctors and all the doctors in Kolkata as well as outside Kolkata in West Bengal right now protesting about these demands, and also the justice for Abhaya, as well as you know that the proper restroom we have seen in our fact check stories. And after that, these are all the demands that are coming in from the Indian Medical Association. As already Indian Medical Association held one rally in Kolkata just a few hours back, and where the thousands of doctors had joined, and right now the students wing are protesting over here. The Sataki will show you the images from the ground right now, because it's just beside the RG Kar Hospital of Kolkata, and the large police forces was also deployed. But these are the students, those who are saying that they are here only to protest against the incident, what has happened in RG Kar Hospital, and demanding justice peacefully. And right now, the protest all day, starting it from the morning till night, the protest is on. That the only demand is the justice for Abhaya of RG Kar Hospital.
Right, that's the big news here. Anirban, keep tracking all the latest. Remember, doctors not just in Kolkata but across the country have decided to halt services, OPD and elective surgeries for now, at least for 24 hours, so that they all come together in support and solidarity. This is a specific protest from Kolkata, but I can tell you that across the country there have been, and we've been through the evening bringing you multiple pictures, whether it's Delhi, Bengaluru, other states as well, where people have come together to ensure that at least hospitals do not become the scenes of crime. Look at these images coming in about doctors' nationwide stir. whether it's national capital, whether it's Rajasthan, Bengaluru, other cities as well, where services have been affected for 24 hours. Not emergency care, because that of course continues to function, but doctors believe they do not deserve to be treated in that manner. And of course, for women, irrespective, they've all come together. It is as much about, after Nirbhay, looks like nothing and not much has changed. So I'm heading into a very short break, and perhaps with hope that this protest in solidarity and support could have our women at least find safe spaces in a hospital, to say the least.